Money. Low values of money under £1. We can count small values of money to work out the total. 5p plus 2p plus 1p. Using our number line, we start with the biggest number, count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we add on another 2 for 2p, 1, 2, and finally another 1 for 1p, 1. Where do we end up on the line? We end at number 8, so the total is 8p. If all the coins are the same, we can count in their value. How much money is there in total here? All the coins are the same, they're 5 pence. There are 5 5-pence coins. We can count the value of the coins in fives, starting at 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The total amount is 25 pence. So the answer is A, 25p. What's the total value here? All the coins are the same, they're all 10 pence. There are 8 10p coins. We can count the value of the coins in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The total amount is 80 pence, so the answer is C, 80p. What's the total value here? All the coins are the same, they're 20 pence. We can count the value of the coins in 20s. It's like counting in tens, but we skip one number or one 10 each time. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The total is 60 pence. Don't forget the units. So the answer is C, 60p or 60 pence. Remember, you need to know the value of each of the coins. Counting with pence is the same as counting with numbers. Just remember to add the pence or the units at the end. And if all the coins are the same, we can count in their value.